Next after that, meteoroids. Next after that, meteoroids. See, let us see. Meteoroids are small pieces of rocks that orbit the sun. So meteoroids are small pieces of rocks that orbit the sun. Okay. So they can be found throughout the solar system, where you can find anywhere in the solar system. Not only in between Mars and Jupiter. Not only in between Mars and Jupiter, you can find everywhere throughout the solar system. They were meteoroids. They were meteoroids. Similar to they are also rocks. They were also rocks. Okay. So what is the difference between asteroids and meteoroids? Nothing but asteroids are in between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids are between Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids are anywhere in the solar system. Have you understood? Anywhere in the solar system. Same. That one rock, this one rock. That one rock, this one rock. But asteroids are in between two planets. Meteoroids are in between everywhere. Everywhere. Universe. Next after that, Milky Way. Next after that, Milky Way. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. My dear students, what is this galaxy? What is this galaxy? Galaxy has lakhs of solar systems. Understood? How this will be there? I will show. Whatever the matter, whatever the thing present, that is the universe. The universe is an infinite one. Universe is a infinite one. So it is an unlimited one, universe. In that universe, there is something called galaxies. Okay. So universe, below that galaxies. There were lakhs of galaxies in the universe. There were lakhs of galaxies in the universe. So now we were in the galaxy called Milky Way. Milky Way. Below the galaxy, solar system. Below the galaxy, solar system. So now we are in a solar system, like at present where we are living. So galaxy has lakhs of solar systems. This solar system has, as of now, Sun plus 8 planets. Among 8 planets, Earth is one planet. In that Earth, 7 continents, 5 oceans are part of them. 7 continents and 5 oceans. Among that 7 continents, Asia continent is the one where we are living. So Asia continent is the one. That Asia, almost many countries were there. In that, India is one of the country. India is one of the country. In India, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So 28 states and union territories. In the 28 states, for example, Delhi Union Territory, AP Telangana. What are there? There were the states. In that again, some districts, mandals, villages, okay, hamlets, tribal hamlets will be there. So this is the sequence. So finally, have you understood that? What is the Milky Way? Name of the galaxy that we are living. So Milky Way is our galaxy. So our solar system is one of the solar system in Milky Way. Our solar system was located in Milky Way galaxy. Please try to understand it. Okay, so this Milky Way is a collection of billions of stars similar to sun. Billions of stars means more than 100 crores. So similar to sun, like the sun, there were remaining 100 crores of stars in the Milky Way. So sun is the only one. In the sea, like a sun, there were around 100 billion stars in this Milky Way. So, right, the universe consists of millions of galaxies. So, millions of galaxies are making universe. Billions of solar systems are making galaxy. Try to remember it. Right, you can find here. It is the Milky Way. You can check here. Have you understood that? See the beautiness of geography. Very beautiful, very, very beautiful, extraordinary. You can find here. That is the Milky Way, which is a part of universe. Universe is unlimited, infinity. No one has found the boundary for universe. It is a boundaryless. Universe is a boundaryless. It is a Milky Way galaxy. Right. So then after that, stars and constellations. So sun is a star? Yes, exactly. Sun is a star. So now, not now, during the night time, if you observe in the sky, you can see the teeny particles twinkling. You can see the teeny particles twinkling in the sky. All those are not planets, they are the stars. Whatever the twinkling particles that you can see in the sky, they were the stars. They were the stars. Okay, right, so let's continue. Stars are the hot and big celestial bodies made of gases. And we know that sun is a star. It is made up of hydrogen and helium. In the similar way, stars are also stars also made up of hydrogen and helium gases. Okay, understood? So stars provide heat and light but are far away from us. During the night times, we used to see stars in the sky and we try to think that why the stars are very, very small. Why they are very small? Why they are very small? Is it small? Definitely no. Some stars are 100 times bigger than sun. Our sun is very big. Our earth is very big. So some stars are 1,000 times of the earth's size. 1,000 times of the earth's size. Please remember it. Please remember it. Okay, please remember. And also they provide light to us, but due to the away from earth, sometimes their light may not reach to the surface of the earth, may not reach to the atmosphere of the earth. Please remember, my dear guys. Then after that, constellations. Sir, what is the definition for constellation? Exactly, my dear students. Constellation is nothing but it is a group of stars. Please remember. So constellation are group of stars that form recognizable patterns. Understood? So stars are nothing but constellations are nothing but they are the group of stars that their pattern, their direction can be recognized. Okay, can be recognized. You can see the back behind that. Their pattern can be recognized. Okay, Crux constellation. So these are the things. So this is star, 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 star. So if we join these stars, we can get one shape. We can get that shape. Okay, so the group of stars, this area, this one is known as constellation. Please remember it. This is constellation. Okay, it is like crux, known as the Southern Cross, is a small cross shaped constellation in the southern sky, serving as a prominent navigational marker in the southern hemisphere. Okay, so crux, known as the Southern Cross, is a small cross-shaped constellation, in the southern sky, serving as a prominent navigational marker in the southern hemisphere. Means these one. So like sailors, the sailors who are there, they used to come to reach to their destination by observing crux constellation. Okay, so that's why it is acting as a sailor's best friend. Sailor's best friend. Why? Because they used to get the proper direction by observing that constellation. Now Cassiopeia. Okay, we can see that the shape of it, Cassiopeia. So Cassiopeia is a prominent constellation in the northern sky, known for its distinctive W or M shape, depending on its orientation. So we can see that what is the shape of it? It looks appears like W, or you can treat it as a M as well. If you see from there, it look like M. This side W. Where it was located? In the northern sky. So that is Cassiopeia. Okay, Cassiopeia. Okay. Next, after that, in Greek mythology, Cassiopeia was a queen who boasted of her beauty and was subsequently placed in the heavens as a constellation as a punishment. Okay, so in the Greek mythology, so Cassiopeia was a queen. So that constellation was a queen. So due to the beauty and also due to its beautiness, it was placed in heaven. Okay, next, after that, Hercules constellation. You can find it is the shape of the Hercules constellation. Means it is a group of stars that were arranged in a particular recognizable pattern. Okay, please remember it. Hercules constellation. So Hercules constellation, named after the Greek hero, is recognized. We know that Hercules, if you have known world history, you might have heard Hercules' name. So on the name of Hercules, this group of stars were named as Hercules constellation. So it is a distinctive keystone shape formed by 4 bright stars. You can find here there are 4 bright stars. Okay, next, after that, it features the famous Great Hercules cluster, a mesmerizing globular cluster of stars. Okay, next, after that, stars of Saptarishi. Okay, stars of Saptarishi. So let's just see the shape of Saptarishi. Okay, Sapta means 7. Sapta means 7. You can find 7 stars here. 1 is at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally there were 7 stars. There were 7 stars. So that's why 7 means Sapta. Sapta Rishi. 7 sages. 7 sages. They are the symbols of wisdom and spiritual teaching and symbolizing. Okay, next, microscopium constellation. Microscopium constellation. That is the shape of microscopium constellation. So it is a faint. You can see that like faint constellation. So the southern hemisphere representing a microscope. Its stars may be dim, but it symbolizes our enduring curiosity about the universe mysteries. The stars of this constellation may be dim, but it creates some enthusiasm, some interest in our minds to explore the more about universe, galaxies, constellations, solar system, whatnot, everything. North Star. North Star is also known as direction star. It is the best star for sailors. So North Star retains the same position every night. During night, every day, during the night time, you can see the North Star in the exact position where it was located. So what is the advantage of North Star? It is used to find the direction. It is used to find the direction. Which direction? North direction. Because North Star was located in north direction. So it was located in north direction. So that's why that star was called as North Star. It is in the north direction. So used to find the direction of north. So previous times sailors used to reach to their destination by observing the direction of North Star. Okay. New discoveries. Interstellar visitors. In 2017, astronomers detected an interstellar object named Oumuamua passing through our solar system. Interstellar object is nothing but the object which is not belongs to our solar system, means a foreign object. Interstellar is nothing but a foreign object. Okay, so it is like a visitor from another star system. So still our scientists and NASA scientists and ISRO scientists are finding that the evidence of presence of other solar systems which has the aliens. So some evidences as of now, we have evidences that there is a presence of aliens in some other solar system, not here, some other planets, some other solar systems. So some scientists are saying that there is a presence of aliens still, and some were visible, to us. Okay, but let's wait, time decides about the aliens. Next, after that, new discoveries in that only ocean worlds. So recent discoveries have revealed the presence of subsurface oceans on several moons in our solar system. So finally, new discoveries saying that there is a presence of ocean bodies on the other moons, not our moon, on the other moons in our solar system. So our scientists are saying that water is available on moons of other planets of our solar system. So that's the thing. So discovered by our scientist. Europa, one of the Jupiter's moons, is thought to have a global subsurface beneath its icy crust. So Jupiter has one moon, it is a Europa. So what our scientists are saying that they are saying that Jupiter has sub-ocean under the icy crust of it. Okay, if you dig that Europa, you will find some water ocean in that. As our scientists are saying that information. Black hole. Black hole means which is in black color, is a black in color. Of course, it attracts everything. So from the black hole, no one can escape to anywhere. So black hole is once upon a star. So black hole is a present dead star, past evergreen star. Black hole is a present dead star, past evergreen star. At the times it was a hero. Now it is a zero because due to the age factor. Do you know that stars has the age? Stars at the burn of the star, it will be very active and energy. As the time passes, as the million years of time passes, stars will be aged. So like this, stars will become like this. And after some point of time, they die. The death star is black hole. So black hole has the capacity of attract everything inside of it. It won't leave anything. Even light also cannot escape from black hole. That's the capacity of black hole. If you want to see here, you can see here. A black hole is a place in space where gravity is super strong and nothing, not even light, can escape from it. Even gravitational force also cannot escape from black hole. Sunlight also cannot escape from black hole. This pen also cannot escape from black hole. This mobile phone also cannot escape from black hole. Understood? That's the beautiness. It happens when a gate star collapses and becomes very dense. It becomes very dense at its center. What I said? When black hole was formed, when a gate star collapses and becomes very dense at its center. So black hole, once upon a time, is a star. Black holes have a strong pull on things around them, and they can stretch and bend space and time. They can grow bigger by swallowing matter and joining with other black holes. So for example, if there is a black hole there, if there is a black hole that side, if there is a black hole here, it can get that, it can get that, it can get that, it can get that and become very big like Bahubali. So black hole has the capacity of becoming very big. Wherever the black holes has, it has the capacity to attract it and becoming Bahubali. That's the greatness of black holes. You can see the here, black hole. It is a black hole. You can see the image. If you throw the pen here, goes in. If you throw the pen here, goes in. If you throw the pen here, goes in. Nothing. No, I don't have pen now. It went into the black hole. Where? Went into the black hole. Can you get it back? No. No pen. No. Never. Because it is a black hole. That's the beautiness of it. Quick facts related to the subject chapter. The first ever man to step foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. What is the name of the person that kept his foot on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong kept his foot on the moon. He is the first person. He was the first person. He went to there on the moon with the name of spaceship. What is that? Can anyone say? The first person to go to space was a man called Yuri Gagarin. He was from Russia. So he was a Russian. Yuri Gagarin was a Russian. He went into the space. He was the first person. Moon Armstrong. Then first Indian to enter into the space, Rakesh Sharma. So Rakesh Sharma went into the space. He was from India. So Indian Rakesh Sharma. And Kalpana Chawla, first Indian woman who went into the space. But unfortunately, she was died in the return flight due to some technical error in the return flight before reaching onto the surface of the earth. Means by 4 to 5 seconds she may reach onto the surface of the earth, but the space shuttle was blasted. That's unfortunate thing. But she was died. But even though she is our first Indian woman who went into the space, so we have to remember it. Okay, some facts about the sun. Sun is a stars made up of burning gases like hydrogen and helium. So most important life source. Sun is the energy. Sun is the energy, light, everything. Okay, 8 planets orbit the sun. So as of now, 8 planets are orbiting around the sun. Okay, closest to the sun. So Mercury, closest to the sun, does not have any moons, can be both extreme hot, extreme cold. So that's why it is not regarded as hottest planet, even though it is very near to Earth. Sorry, very near to sun. So Mercury is not the hottest planet, even though it is very near to sun. But then what? Venus. Venus is regarded as very hottest planet in the sun. And also it is very smallest planet. Chota bachi. Chota bacha. Now, Venus. Second planet from the sun. Second planet from the sun. Does not have any moons. And also very hot planet. Has many volcanoes. Earth's closest neighbor. Twin of the Earth. Bright star. Morning star. Evening star. Star. Megastar. Now, Earth. Third planet from the sun. Earth means the ground, largest planet, fifth largest planet, has one moon. That's what we are seeing in the sky during the night times. Chandamama, what we call Chandamama, Jabili, Rave, like that. Has water, sun, and food for its living things. Okay. Fourth planet from the Mars, fourth planet from the sun, second smallest planet, has 2 moons. Red in color due to the presence of iron minerals. Do you know that? Why red soil is red in color? Due to the presence of iron in it. Why blood is in red color? Due to the presence of iron. Hemoglobin, which is a part, hemoglobin is a red pigment, iron pigment. So wherever there is a presence of iron, it's look like in red color, like even though Mars is in red color. Understood? Done? Jupiter, very large planet, fifth planet from the sun and very largest planet, Bada planet. It has already 80 plus moons. Here 17 are given, 80 plus, more than that. Largest planet in the solar system. And it is how much bigger? As big as 317 Earths. Jupiter is as big as 317 Earths. That much big planet. Okay, now Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet and sixth planet from the sun. It has 62 moons. Saturn has 62 moons. And also, storms appear as white spots. Okay, Saturn has a ring. This ring is made up of ice, dust, or rocky particles. Okay, next Uranus, seventh planet from the sun. A gas giant made up of a lot of ice. The coldest of the planets has 27 moons. Among Titan is one of the moon and it is the largest one. Next after that, Neptune, farthest planet from the sun, called an ice giant and does not have a solid surface. Has 14 moons, blue in color. Okay, next after that, Moon. It is one of the not only natural satellites of Earth. So dusty ball of rock, 1/4 of the diameter of the Earth. 1/4 of the diameter of the Earth. Does it produce its light on its own? No. It gets the light from sun. So it depended upon sun for the light. Moon depended upon the sun for the light. Earth depended upon the sun for the light. Pluto depended upon the sun for the light. Neptune depended upon the sun for the light. So all the planets were, whether they were the big, small, dwarf planets, depended upon the sun for the light. So changes the shape as it orbits Earth. Can be really hot and cool. Next after that, possibility of extraterrestrial life. Is there any possibility of extraterrestrial life? Okay, as we can we live far away from the Earth? Can we live in any planet of the solar system? Let's see. So researchers found tiny living organisms on a faraway planet, which tells us that we are not the only one in the universe. We are not only the one person. I am not only the Ishwar that I am teaching geography. Some Ishwars may present another galaxies, another solar systems. There is a chance, because sometimes we are getting some evidences that teeny animals, small animals are living some other areas far away from the Earth. So there is a chance of extraterrestrial life in the universe. There is a possibility. So scientists found complex chemicals in the air of a nearby star system, confirming that there are alien living there. It's no longer a guess or a maybe. Extraterrestrial life is real. So life is real. Inquiry box. Question: can any planets in our solar system be seen without a telescope? Can any planets in our solar system be seen without a telescope? Yes, of course. Planets like Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn can be seen without a telescope. What is telescope? The device which is used to see far the objects. The device which is used to see the objects which are very far away. But without that object, we can see the planets with our naked eyes. They are like Venus. I have seen Venus with my eyes. I have seen Venus planet directly in the sky. I have seen Mars as well. I have seen Jupiter and Saturn as well, because even they are visible to us when the sky is very very clear, and also the distance between Earth and these planets are minimal, and also when they are aligned in the same concurrent line, when they were aligned in the same concurrent line, we can see these planets. I have witnessed these planets. I have seen them. Okay. Next, what is the largest volcano in our solar system? Olympus. Answer is Olympus Mons on Mars is the largest volcano in our solar system. Okay. Inquiry box again. Are there any volcanoes on other planets? Is there any other volcanoes on other planets? Yes, there are volcanoes on other planets, such as Mars, as we discussed. Olympus Mons is one of the volcanoes that were present on Mars. So answer is yes. Mars as well as Jupiter's moon, Io. Okay, Io. Which planet has the fastest rotation? Which planet has the fastest rotation? Here the answer is Jupiter. Has the fastest rotation among the planets in our solar system. Okay, so almost it takes 9 hours. So Jupiter takes 9 hours 56 minutes to rotate around itself like a rotation. So it is the smallest one. It is the fastest one. Means in terms of time, less time. In terms of speed, fastest rotation, Jupiter. Okay. Are there any planets in our solar system with active weather systems? Here the answer is yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Not only Earth, other planets also has like weather systems like Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter and Saturn has weather similar to our Earth. Next, after that, is there a planet in our solar system with the shortest day? Exactly, definitely. Like Jupiter, as I said, Jupiter has the shortest day among the planets in our solar system. It takes around 9 hours 54 minutes to complete the rotation. So it is the shortest one. Even though Jupiter is the biggest in terms of size, but it has a less time period to rotate around it. Okay, so finally the answer is Jupiter. So finally, the solar system consists of Sun, which is a star, and planets. The planets were 8 planets. And ninth planet, which is a dwarf planet, Pluto. And it has satellites similar to Moon. It has asteroids in between Mars and Jupiter. It has meteoroids in solar system. Then after that, the Sun is the center of the solar system. So we are following heliocentric method. We have heliocentric configuration. So we have 8 planets in the solar system. If you add Pluto, which is a dwarf planet, it will count as 9 planets. Okay. Generally, we have 8 planets. Remember, only 8 figure. So now Pluto classified as dwarf planet. So Earth is a unique planet that supports life. No other planet in the solar system supports both fauna and flora. So only Earth. So Earth is a living planet and also regarded as blue planet. The Moon is Earth's only satellite. Okay, so Moon is the only Earth satellite. So asteroids and meteoroids orbit the Sun. But what is the difference in between asteroid and meteoroids? Asteroids are in between Mars and Jupiter, whereas meteoroids are in between. Meteoroids are are present enter in the solar system. Now, our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. As I said, our galaxy name is Milky Way galaxy. So this Milky Way galaxy is a part of universe, and we know that in universe there are a present of millions of galaxies, billions of solar system. Billions of solar system makes a galaxy. Millions of galaxies makes a universe. Universe doesn't have infinity. Universe doesn't have boundary. So it is a boundaryless. Coming to the definition for universe. So universe is everything around us. So whatever we see, it is universe. Does the universe has a boundary? Definitely no. It doesn't have any boundary. Whatever that we see in the sky, whatever that we see in the atmosphere, they comes under universe. So universe is everything around us. It's like a giant space filled with stars. These planets and galaxies, satellites, moons, asteroids, meteors, everything. Okay, it is the universe. Thank you so much. Namaste. So with the new content and updated content, I will meet in the next video. So I request you, please give your valuable feedback. This is Ishwar Kumar, Faculty of Geography, Current Affairs,